The DJI Mini 5 Pro, positioned as the successor to the DJI Mini 4 Pro launched in September 2023, has now appeared in FCC registration filings, a clear indication that its release is just around the corner. So, what can we expect from the Mini 5 Pro? While full specifications remain unknown, leaks suggest white heavy checkmark enhanced battery life for longer flight durations, white heavy checkmark faster charging speeds for seamless usability, white heavy checkmark sub 250-gram weight to keep it regulation friendly. Considering DJI's history of upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro could also introduce advanced obstacle avoidance, an upgraded camera sensor, and improved flight stability, but official details are yet to be confirmed. While the Mini 4 Pro was launched in September, the FCC filing hints that this new model could arrive much sooner than expected. DJI Avata 3 FPV drone gets a major boost, movie camera. FPV enthusiasts will be thrilled to hear that leaks from well-known DJI insider at Quadro_News indicate DJI Avata 3 is already in testing. This next-generation FPV drone is expected to replace the Avata 2, which debuted in April 2024. Early reports suggest exciting improvements: white heavy checkmark larger camera sensor for crisper, more dynamic video footage, white heavy checkmark redesigned propellers for smoother flight and increased efficiency, white heavy checkmark potential improvements to flight control and stabilization. While DJI hasn't released official information yet, leaked test footage suggests that major upgrades could be on the horizon. However, we haven't yet seen the Avata 3 in action, meaning exact flight capabilities are still a mystery. DJI Neo 2, an unexpected upgrade fire. While excitement builds around the Mini 5 Pro and Avata 3, another surprise leak has emerged: the DJI Neo 2. The original DJI Neo was introduced in September 2024, and tipster at Osita LV has hinted that its successor is coming soon. What could DJI improve with the Neo 2? While specific details are scarce, potential upgrades may include white heavy checkmark better durability for extreme conditions, white heavy checkmark more powerful flight capabilities, white heavy checkmark optimized camera features for aerial mapping and surveying. With Neo 2, Avata 3, and Mini 5 Pro all surfacing in leaks, DJI appears poised for a major wave of drone releases in the near future. When can we expect DJI's new drones? The FCC registration for the Mini 5 Pro suggests its release is imminent, possibly earlier than its expected September launch window. As for the Avata 3 and Neo 2, since their predecessors were released more recently, DJI might hold off on unveiling them until later in the year. Whatever the case, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for DJI fans, with new models, enhanced features, and innovative upgrades on the horizon. Stay updated on DJI's latest leaks. We'll be keeping a close eye on official announcements, tipster updates, and real-world footage as more details surface on DJI's upcoming lineup.